How to install SunCoast SunMobile Banking app. So just tap get and let's explore what you can see here. Of course, they have a website, and I guess for some banking stuff, you will probably need to use a website first. But then, if you created your account with your website and all of that, then you will just probably be able to use this app, and it's quite handy to use this banking app on mobile. Sometimes it's just you can quickly access and just have some overview, and then this is how you can log in here. So you need to have already member number and password. You can enable Face ID, and then you can just have like all your accounts, manage your cards, transfer funds between accounts, deposit funds, bill pay, find ATM branch. You can see your profile, documents, and resources. So yes, that's just basically what you can see. That's basically what you need. Sometimes on the mobile, you just want to see status of your accounts, just want to transfer funds quickly between your accounts or your cards, like block your card or something like that. See details for your card if you need it somewhere just in your mobile banking app. So that's kind of quite convenient. Just do it from the app. You don't need to bring your laptop with you all the time. And then here you just have this app, just log in, and that's what it is.